everybody, happy Friday. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a sweet little short and sweet makeup look, and it is inspired. It's not inspired, it's exactly the look that I did in this look on Instagram, and many of you were like, oh my god, please tell me there's a tutorial on this. And I honestly wasn't planning on it because it was just such a simple look, but then I thought that that would kind of be a fun thing to do. This is my very simple, easy one product smoky eye, and this is something I do a lot when I'm just kind of playing, I was about to say playing with myself. When I am at home taking photos, not necessarily filming anything that day, but this has kind of just been a look I've been doing lately when I've been doing some IG pics and stuff. It's just a really quick but very effective smoky eye using one product, which the product I'm using today is Matte Costa Riche, which is a lovely little rediscovery from my collection, and it's been joyous, and I love this color. And I'm going to show you the look I did. There's a few products I wanted to mention at the start. I have already done a base. I've done foundation, my brows, what have you. Yeah, it's a really simple, very effective, I think personally a beautiful look to do, and I wanted to show you guys how I do it. If you like these videos and want to see more from me, please do give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me, and always let me know in the comments down below any products that you want to see me test out, review here on my channel, or any other video ideas at all. Let's zoom you in and hop right to it. So I've already done my base. I did my foundation, primer, concealer, powder, all the good stuff, but I did want to talk through like the color products with you. And I've been picking up a few new things that I've been wanting to test out because you guys know how much I love my Tom Ford Shade and Illuminate. However, it is definitely like Tom Ford products are on the top end of the spectrum as far as luxe makeup prices go. And it always saddens me, and I feel so wasteful to only ever be using the contour side, which I've hit pan on. I love it. I love the shade for my skin tone so much, but I never use the highlight. So I've been trying to find some dupes for it. So I've been picking up and searching for some other like cream contour products, and I really want to hear from you. I haven't been able to find one at the drugstore. I know there's a Maybelline cream stick that I so badly want to get my hands on, but I haven't been able to find it anywhere in Canada, and I don't know if it's discontinued. But if you guys have any favorite drugstore, favorite cream contouring products, definitely holler at me. I've picked up two here. The Huda Beauty Tantour. Yeah, Tantour Contour and Bronzer Cream, which I'm going to test out for next week. But more recently, DANESSA MYRICKS came out with her Contour Balm. Oh, I love DANESSA MYRICKS products so much, and I have no doubt in my mind that this is going to be fabulous. So I picked up two shades, Light 1 and Light 2. Light 1 is here, Light 2 is here. They look pretty similar. Light 1 is a little bit more cool. Light 2 is a little bit more warm. It's not quite a shade match. Maybe I'll pick up the like third deepest one from DANESSA MYRICKS and see how it compares. But I'm hoping that in terms of texture and product, it will give us a much more similar vibe. But I'm on the hunt, guys, trying to find some dupes. Let us try the DANESSA MYRICKS Contour Balm today. I'm going to use the shade Light 2. And I did a fun little breakdown of the price here in my notes. So let's hope that she's a good dupe, y'all. DANESSA MYRICKS has yet to lead me astray with her stunning products. So let us test it out. I've just got my little beauty blender here. That's a really nice shade. It is just a bit warmer than the Tom Ford one in general, but I might try to grab a different shade of this. But so far, like, oh, that's blending out so nicely. And I actually like that it's a little bit thinner. Like, it's not as intense of a color, so you can really like choose to build it up. Like sometimes when I dip into the Tom Ford one, it's like super intense with pigment, and it's really easy to go overboard with that. So I kind of like that this is actually already just a thinner formula. I get my DANESSA MYRICKS products off of Beautylish. They have excellent shipping to Canada super fast, which I've always appreciated. So if you're looking to get your hands on any of the DANESSA MYRICKS products, her website does also ship to Canada. It just takes a really long time, and then there's duties. But the Beautylish website just has it down. Fabulous shipping for us Canadian gals and pals. So, oh my god, it warmed up so nicely. That is beautiful. Beautiful. It blended out so easily. It looks so natural and just put the most lovely dose of warmth and contour goodness onto the skin. Love that. I am still going to go in with my Benefit Hoola Bronzer. I just love to, you know, use a contour, use a bronzer. I also love to use this powder for my nose and the center of the face. So I just take a little eyeshadow brush and just run it along my nose. Do a little whoop circle around the tip. And I am just doing the full face because I wanted to mention my little cream contour goals and dreams. But also because we are using a pencil today, I'm not worried about any like product fallout necessarily. So I am still taking the bronzer. So I guess technically it is 2 products on my eyes, but I have done this without the bronzer and it's still the same effect. I just always like to put my bronzer in my eye to start out no matter what. I'm gonna take a little additional dusting of Hoola and just put that on the cheeks. For highlight, I'm gonna use MAC Whisper of Guilt. Oh, I love this highlight so much. I'm gonna dust that on the tops of the cheekbones. Tip of the nose, bridge of the nose, a little bit on the cupid's bow. And we're gonna do blush. This is Laura Mercier Fresco. Just a little doo-doo-doo-doo on the apples of the cheeks, and I blend it up towards the perimeter of my hair. All right, let's get to the eyes. I'm actually gonna use the DANESSA MYRICKS Cream Contour for the mirror. There's a fabulous mirror in here. Now, the product, Matte Costa Riche. To start out, make sure you give it a good little sharpen. Just a little whoop. We're working with some fresh stick here. And all we're gonna do is rub this all over the eye. So we're gonna start with the pencil. I personally like to use a flat shader brush. This is a Refer 02 brush. There's also the MAC 239. Real Techniques has some amazing brushes as well. And I like the flat shader brush because it really just, it keeps like the density and the pigment of the product while also blending it out super nicely. You catch my drift? And then you'll also want a fluffier brush to blend it out afterward. Have those on hand, get your little flat shader brush on hand, and we're gonna take our pencil, and I like to start on the upper lash line, and I'm gonna take this all the way to the inner corner, all along the lash line. I'm really applying this thickly, liberally, heavily, just as messy as you wanna be. It doesn't matter, we're gonna go in and continue adding product. So this first layer, just add on a good, thick, solid line. Then we're gonna take the flat shader brush and just blend this out. I like to go like horizontal swipes back and forth across the eye, and I place it like right on top of the product, kind of like fluff it into the lashes, and then I blend it out. And the product will just continue to kind of like sweep along over the eye. Like I'll just start at the bottom and then I'm just wiping it up onto my eyelid. And then after that, I will like flip the brush and just take any of the remnant product and I fluff it into my crease. But still just keeping with that back and forth motion. But because we've blended most of the product near the lash line, there's not too much product left over, but it's still dispensing some color and pigment along the rest of the eye, and I will just drag that all the way up. That's your first layer. So easy, like you could totally leave it like this. I like to go in after and add another layer just to really like build up the pigment, build up the layers. This is something Katie Jane Hughes also does a lot on her Instagram, and I love watching it. I love how effective like one shade can be. One product, baby. Katie Jane Hughes, this one's for you. And then I'm just gonna take my clean blending brush and just blend that up onto the crease, making sure that everything is nice and seamless, no harsh lines. I got a little bit something funky going on here, so I'm not applying any new product, but I'm just going in with the brush and trying to even that out. And then I'm going to take one final little line just right along the lash line. And I'm just going to leave that be. I'm not going to blend that out. I'm just going to let that really dense layer exist on the lash line. So then do the same thing on the lower lash line, except I'm going to also at this point put it in my waterline as well. You can do it in the upper waterline too. And then a good little line underneath the lashes. Then take this flat shader brush and just do the same thing. Literally just blend this out. This one, try not to take it too low because the act alone of going right along the liner in these horizontal back and forth motions will kind of just automatically bring it lower. I don't like mine to be too low, so I just keep it right along that line. And then if you get a little bit extra up here, just whoop, bring it up like this. Just connect the bottom to the top. So you can kind of fiddle around with it, add more product where you need it, but that is pretty much it. If you want to clean it up, you can just take your finger and really lightly kind of lift from the bottom up towards the brow just to clean up that little line there. And that's it, you guys. That is it. That is the one product smoky eye. It is so simple to do. You can go in and add more products if you wanted to add some more depth onto the upper lash line and deepen up the outer corners. You could go in and add some shimmer as well. This color paired with like MAC Whisper of Guilt on top, or some like really beautiful iridescent shimmery eyeshadow topper would be so pretty. I do want to keep it matte just for the intents and purposes of this one product smoky eye, but I'm just saying, like, this is such a versatile look, and it's also a fabulous base to do for any other kind of more intense eyeshadow looks on top. So that's it. That's the one product smoky eye. So easy. 2 brushes and a pencil. That's all you need. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye, and then we'll finish it off with mascara. So once you've fiddled with all the pencil blending and you're happy with how it looks, go ahead and use some mascara. This is my Bite Upswing mascara, which is very dirty with all my fingerprints. Now, I'm not the biggest false lash gal. I do love to dabble now and again, but if I'm doing a smoky eye like this and I'm not using any fake lashes, I want to definitely use the most volumizing mascara that I can. The makeup that I was wearing in the Instagram look, I was actually testing out the new Lancome Idole mascara, which I was super curious to try because I used like Lancome mascaras have been in my collection like since the dawn of time. And though it's beautiful and super light and fluffy, I'll give you guys my final thoughts later, but I was definitely looking for more volume with this look. So back to the Bite, baby. And then I'm gonna take a little sprinkle of the MAC Extended Play Gigablack Lash. This is my current fave for the lower lashes because it's just got this really long, thin wand, and I can wiggle right at the root of the lash. And then I'll just take a brush and sweep that on the bottom of the lower lashes in an attempt to prevent as much raccooning as possible. I am a dry skinned gal. I use a lot of intense moisture in my skincare and in my products, so I am a sufferer of raccooning always, no matter what, especially because my lower lashes are oddly long. And so I have to remove as much product as possible from the bottom so that I get the least amount of transfer. So that's it. Those are the eyes. It was so easy. It's so quick. And it's such an effective, like, really mysterious and grungy smoky eye. I've been loving this lately. And this is the look that I did in that Instagram photo. So for those of you who are curious, that's what I did. Now the lip, I paired it with in that photo. This is the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in the shade 804 No Boundaries Blush, but boundaries is like spelled weird. But it's this little pink pencil. I've actually had it for quite some time, and I just really wanted like a light, cool toned pink to go with this. I feel like a deep kind of burgundy smoky eye would just go really well with like a nice brighter pink on the lip. So love this pencil to do that. I just lined my lips and then kind of filled them in. And then you can just take your finger, like I take my little ring finger here, and just kind of pat it around. My lips have been very, very dry lately. They're so dry. So I put a layer of that pencil on, and then I topped it with the KOSAS Jellyfish Wet Lip Oil. I love this lip oil. It is so beautiful. It's very thick and gives your lips the most lovely, glassy, juicy finish, and it smells so good. Oh, I love this product. And I'd say the Maybelline Lip Lifter glosses are definitely a great dupe for this. So that's the nice little light little glossy, cool toned pink lip. So guys, this is the finished look. That is my one product. Very easy, very doable, efficient, and effective smoky eye. If you guys recreate this look, I definitely want to see your look. Send me your pics on Instagram. I want to see it if you guys do this look. And if you have any other products or eye pencils, eyeliners that you like to do this same smoky eye with, definitely let us know in the comments below, guys. This is my little recreation of that look I posted on Instagram and my one product smoky eye. I absolutely love this look. I'm obsessed with it, and I've been wearing it so much, and I love the little glossy pink lip to go with it. And there's also an update on my little cream contour product journey. So if you have any faves, let us know. That's it from me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this look. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and we'll see you all on Monday for a new video. Bye!